Have you ever been using your phone while it was charging? It might seem harmless, but it's actually not safe. Here are some reasons why. First, while charging, your phone's temperature increases. Using your phone simultaneously can further heat up the device, which can damage your phone's battery and, in extreme cases, cause the phone to catch fire. Secondly, when a phone's battery charges, it goes through charge cycle. Using the phone while it's charging can interrupt this cycle, which can cause damage to the battery in the long run. Lastly, using a phone while it's charging can also cause electric shocks. If your phone charger or cable is not in good condition and there are some exposed internal wires, it can be potentially hazardous and cause electric shocks to the user. In conclusion, it is not safe to use your phone while it is charging. If you want to preserve your phone's battery and ensure your own safety, it's best to wait until your phone has finished charging before using it.